Hey guys, it's East Coast Gamers here, doing another video with you guys. This one's going to be on a tutorial on how to get an emulator on your computer running. I won't show you guys how to get ROMs because that's illegal, but there are plenty of ways to do it. There's places all you have to do is do a simple search in your Google bar. But before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to do me a huge favor and drop a like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below on how you like this video, or how you didn't like this video. Any feedback is great. I need to know what you guys like. I've been asked questions about this and how I do my setup, so this is going to be it. So anyway, further ado, we'll get into the video. So first you're going to open up your browser. My browser goes right to YouTube. You're going to go to Google. I'll leave the link in the description, but this is how I do it. Go in, see I have some ROMs here, ROM packages. See, all you have to do is type in on Google where to find the ROMs and you'll find them. So first of all, you're going to need a something that will open up zip files. So I like to use 7-zip. You'll just go to their website and you'll hit download, and you'll download it for whatever whatever platform you use. So I had to download it for Windows 64-bit exe. I'm not going to download it because I already have it. So now we'll back out. And if you want to get your emulator, you'll go to this website here. Is probably one of the best, Emulator Zone. Open it up, and then on the side here, you can download any of these emulators. So I prefer the Game Boy Advance and the Super Nintendo. There's Nintendo 3DS emulators, but listen guys, there's some emulators that aren't going to run properly on your system unless you have a very good computer. So like your GameCube and Wii and Wii U, they are not going to work very properly, or even the 3DS are not going to work very properly on your computer unless you have a very high-end computer. So I'll give you that just in heads up, but where we have sort of a high-end computer, we can kind of run any of these, but I like the Game Boy Advance. And then you can choose whichever one you like between any of these here. You could use a Visual Boy, you could use No Cache Game Boy Advance, Boycott Advance. Like, they're all pretty fairly good, but like the one that's at the top is probably the best one, and it's all free. You just you click on that, and then you have the download. You can download unofficial ports of it. I would just stick with what we know best and download the real one. You'll get this download started. My download's done. I already have this on my computer, but I can show you what you do. You open it up, and you would click on that, compress folders, tools, and then you would extract them all. Just extract it to where it's at, and then you go back to your downloads. You'd find where it went, which is like probably down here somewhere. Yeah, right here. And that's not the right one. There it is, right here. And there's the exe file. You click that and open it, and boom, there you go. You have your emulator. Now this is the same for most of them. Like I said, you need that 7-zip file or program so that you can unzip a lot of these folders. It's just quicker to do. Another great. Ooh, I downloaded it again. Oh well. Another great thing to download that helps with this is RarZilla. That can be a very good program to have as well. For sometimes you have RAR files that you'll have to download, so that's another one to download there, guys. I'll leave these links all in the description below. If you guys would drop me a like, a comment, and please subscribe, that'd be great. And this is it. That's it. Quick, short, and sweet tutorial. Hope you guys like what you've seen, and if you guys have any questions, leave a comment. This is East Coast Gamers, and we're out.